Hey you guys, I'm gonna show it to you guys how I do my fish, cleaning my fish. Fresh fish from the ocean. My honey caught this. Can you believe that? She got caught fish. One fish.
Behind the scenes of Philippine USA.
And here's the fish, guys. What's the name of it? It's a perch.
It is a sea perch.
A sea perch. This is what he caught. Yes, is it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna clean this. We have a different way of cleaning fish. So I don't have the thing for. I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna peel this. It's gonna take a long time. I have to use this. I do it here outside because I don't want to get stink inside the house. So just gonna scrape this scales. How you say that, honey? Scale? Is it?
Scales, yes.
Scales. Kiss-kiss day, kiss-kiss. Kiss-kissan na to ning panit. Isn't it fun?
Is it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. Wash it here so the scales won't be here in our place and get stink. This is how we do it in the Philippines, honey.
Really?
Yeah, I don't like it is not my type, really. Cleaning fish, it's not my type at all. I just like to eat. I just like to eat. Ah, it's right in my eyes. I have to. Yeah, just make it. Clean like that. It's dark, huh? Well, we probably need some lights on. It's getting dark here, guys. It's almost, what time is it? 8 o'clock? I guess so. And it's still dark. Yeah, this is how I do it, guys. This is how I do cleaning the fish. Just scrape those scales and take the guts out, and we like the head. We don't cut the head, guys. We eat that. We eat the balls. We eat the balls too.
Eyeballs.
The eyeballs.
You think you want to eat those?
Oh yeah. Fry it. And this is how we take the. What is this, honey?
Gills?
Yeah, the gills. Get those gills out. That's how we do it. Like that. Cut the guts. Look at the fish. Eat the fish.
It's his butt.
No, that's a fish. A small
It's
fish.
mama having babies.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, honey, you catch the mama. Oh,
Miscarriage.
look at miscarriage. very fishy.
Yep, she was headed up there to spawn.
Yeah, and you guys catched it. Poor babies. Oh dear. You got miscarriage, guys. Some more. We got probably some more. And we got this right here. Some more baby honey. Oh my world. Amazing. Can you do that to me, honey? I wanna see it when I squirt it. I'm gonna squirt and look. Look at the baby fish, guys, right here. More down. Yeah, like that. When I squirt it, guys, look at that. It's having a baby. Look at a baby fish there. You're not in my... Yeah, right there. That's all? I think that's it.
Some poop.
I think that's it, honey. She got 1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
6 babies. 6 babies, guys. Look at the babies right here. That's her baby. This is a mama. I'm sorry, mama. So we're gonna need to cut this out. Cut this right here and get the guts out. Like that. Get the guts out. And oops, I got poop there. That's why I hate cleaning fish. I'm easy to get pooped. I'm the expert on cleaning fish, guys. Jeez. What? They know how to do this. Get the guts out. That's the guts. Some more babies, I guess. No. Yep, there's more. There's some more babies here. Yep. Let's clean that. Ah, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty.
We caught her coming from the ocean to the river to spawn.
Oh, this kind of fish?
Yeah, that's where we caught her.
From the...
At Winchester Bay.
Yes, it's all clean, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this. Can you spray me water, honey? Just a little squirt. Good. It's all cleaned up. Our fish is all cleaned up. Look at that. Just cut that thing. I might cut it twice, so it's not gonna be... Our skillet is too small. It's too big for our skillet. Wow, it's hard. hard for me. Nice breeze. Not hot anymore. Yesterday's really crazy. Come on. I'm gonna put it here. I don't want to put it there. That is really hard. Okay, I'm done. Sorry, Eddie. Jeez. Got a hard time here. Okay. Yeah. It's just hard to cut a fish. Clean it here. Better to clean it where you get it, where you cut it. Right?
Caught it.
Catch it.
Not cut.
Catch it.
Yeah. Catch it, clean it, cook it.
Cook it. Yeah.